Hello students. Yesterday we discussed the movements in animals. Means the movements in snail, snake, earthworm, fish and birds. So today we will start with the movements in human beings. Means the human skeleton. Students, if we press our fingers against the top of our head, face, neck, shoulder, chest, back, arms, hands, fingers, hip, legs and toes, we will feel some hard structure inside them. These hard structure inside our body are called bones. Actually, our body is supported on the hard framework of bones. The bony framework inside our body is called skeleton. The bony framework inside our body is called skeleton. In human beings, the skeleton is inside the body. That's why it's called endoskeleton. Endo means inside. Endo means inside. The skeleton is also called kankal in Hindi. The bones of skeleton provide a framework which hold our body together. The skeleton also gives a shape to our body. The human skeleton is made mostly of bones with some cartilage in certain parts. Cartilage means a cartilage is a type of bone but is a flexible bone. The bones are hard but tough, but the cartilage is a softer than the bones. There are 206 bones in human skeleton or human body. The bones of skeleton are interconnected through the joints to form the various parts of our body. The skeleton consists of skull, backbone, ribs, breastbone, shoulder bone, hip bone, arm bones and leg bone. Before starting the description in detail, we will study some functions of skeleton. First important function is skeleton hold the whole body together and give it shape. Second, skeleton protect many delicate internal organs of body such as brain, heart, lungs, liver and spinal cord from outside damage. Skeleton provide numerous points for the attachments of muscles of body. Along with the muscles, skeleton help in the movements of body parts and locomotion like walking, etc. We will now describe some parts of human skeleton in somewhat detail. Let us start with skull. The bony part of our head is called skull. It is called khopri in or kapal in Hindi. The skull is made up of 22 bony plates joined together. Skull is made up of 22 bony plates joined together. Our brain is inside the skull in its upper part. The brain is made up of soft tissue which could be easily damaged without a hard covering. The bones of skull form a strong case around the brain. In this way, skull protect the brain. The lower part of skull contain the face organ including the nose bone. The skull also protect the main sense organ like eyes, ears and nose. So, for simply the functions or the main important functions of skull are: skull protect the brain. Second, skull protect the sense organ of face like eyes, ears and nose, and skull gives shape to our head. Second is a rib cage. If we take a deep breath and hold it for a while and move our hand on chest, we will find a number of bones in a chest region. These chest bones are called ribs. Ribs are curved bone in our chest. Ribs exist in pair. There are 12 pair of ribs in a chest of our body. There are 12 pairs of ribs in the chest of our body We know that there is a long backbone at the back of our body. There is also a small bone called breastbone in the chest region in front of our body. One end of all the ribs is joined to the backbone and their other end is joined to the breastbone. In this way, all the ribs bone are a part of backbone and the breastbone joined to form a bony cage or the bony like structure. So, the hollow bony structure formed by the ribs is called rib cage. Some important internal organs of our body such as heart, lungs and liver lie inside the strong bony rib cage. The rib cage protects the delicate internal organs like heart, lungs and liver. So simply the functions of rib cage are: rib cage protect the internal organs of body such as the heart, lungs and liver, and rib cage take part in our breathing movement. The next part of the human skeleton is a backbone. If we put our fingers at the center of our back of the body and move them up and down, we feel a hard and long structure in the back of our body. This is our backbone. Backbone is a long, hollow, rod-like structure running from our neck to hip inside our body. The scientific name of the backbone is a vertebral column. The backbone forms a main supporting structure of the body. Backbone is not a single bone. It is made up of 33 small bones placed one over another. Backbone is made up of 33 small bones placed one over another. The small bones which make up the backbone is called vertebra. Between the various vertebrae of backbone are the disc of cartilage. These discs allow the backbone move slightly and enable to bend forward and backward. Please note that the top 7 vertebrae of backbone form our neck. Our backbone support the head at its top. So simply the functions of backbone are: backbone provide main support to the body. Backbone support the head at its top. Backbone attach the shoulder bones, ribs and hip bone, and backbone protect the spinal cord. The next point of this human skeleton is a limbs. There are 2 arms in a human skeleton. The 2 arms are attached to the shoulder blade of the skeleton by the ball and socket joint. The upper limb of human body forms the shoulder to the hand and is called an arm. Each arm consists of 3 parts: upper arm, lower arm and a hand. The upper arm is at the shoulder to elbow. The upper arm consists of a single bone called humerus, and the lower arm is formed of 2 bones called radius and ulna. Then the lower limb of body on which a person walk or stand is called legs. The 2 legs are attached to the hip bone by the skeleton. The upper leg is from the hip to knee. Upper leg consists of a single bone called femur, and lower leg consists of 2 bones called tibia and fibula. The foot consists of a various type of small bones which form ankle, middle part of foot and toes.